What is going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome to another video. Now in today's video we'll be talking about how to take your sneaker reselling or reselling career to the next level. So you've gone through the parts where you're a beginner, you've got your first couple of cops, now you want to take it to the next level. Listen to this video carefully, follow these steps, and with a bit of time and a bit of hard work, you will be able to progress your sneaker level to the next level. If you'd like to join my cook group, please click the top link in the description. It's join the Patreon and then you'll get access to the full Discord server. We provide one-on-one help, investment information, everything you need to know, raffles, upcoming releases, everything you need to know as a beginner sneaker reseller. We teach you up, we train you up, help you to make some money, and so on. I mean, there's nothing that could go wrong. So whether you're a beginner or whether you're kind of already taking it to the next level, please listen to these steps and hopefully they'll help. So in my opinion, there's four ways that you can do this. Number one, which is the biggest reason going, is just do what you're doing but expand it. So when I say expand it, say if you're entering 5 accounts into Sneakers Drawers, try and find a way to enter 10 accounts. And I know this will be really hard for you and thinking, well, how can I enter 10 accounts? There's nothing wrong with you going out to your friends, your family to make more sneakers accounts and so on. However, I do not believe you cannot make loads of money just from sneakers accounts. You need to look in towards a method which will get you more guaranteed income and more consistent income. So actually tip number one will be, so one of the options that you could go into is you could go into the botting scene. Now botting is very, very difficult and does cost a lot of money. Please get this straight. It's not something to just go in lightly. You kind of have to invest a lot of money before you will actually cop anything. So botting, obviously you can do this. Please be careful when you are doing this. Bots that are working and that are very good are costing a lot of money. When I mean a lot of money, I'm talking at least 1 grand to even up to 20 grand. But that's nothing to say you can get a bot like Polaris, Cyber, Ganesh. These bots range from about 2,000 all the way up to 5,000. These bots are doing very, very well. Now remember, it's not just a bot you have to pay for. You have to pay for your proxies, you have to pay for your servers, you have to pay for other little things like your auto solve and so on. So please remember there are other running costs as well. However, if you'd like to go into the botting scene, please check out all my other videos and other people's videos and make sure you do your research before. Botting with a bit of practice and with a lot of time and effort will get you a lot more pairs and gives you that chance of hitting multiples. And when I mean multiples, I've known people to hit hundreds and hundreds of pairs just on one release. And like with botting, as I always say, yes, it may take you a long time to get used to. However, it takes one drop for you to get loads of money and loads of pairs. So please keep that in mind when you are botting. Stay consistent with it, it will come. If you're willing to put the time and the effort and a bit of the money, obviously, it will come. The second option is actually growing a platform. So a platform, what I mean is like social media, maybe your Instagram, your YouTube, your TikTok, your Facebook, all of these things, growing these platforms as much as possible. What this will actually allow you to do, it will actually allow for customers willing to pay a bit more for your shoes and so on because of the fact they're paying for your service. A lot of customers will actually don't care if they're paying an extra £20 for a shoe as long as they know they're getting it 100% authentic and a great service from them. So build up your social media platforms, even if you only have one pair of shoes at the moment. Milk it across all of your things, get all of your reviews all on your Instagram story, show off, make sure you build a good reputation for yourself, and you'll also be able to then get more sales. And not only that, you might be able to charge a bit extra for the pairs of shoes. More sales, more money means you can buy shoes for resale and sell them on for quick flipping, and it also means you can actually afford to invest into pairs. So number 3 is going to be investments. Now shoes are actually surprisingly very good for investing into sneakers. You look at the stock market, you say the stock market goes up an average of 8 to 12% per year. If someone gave me 100 grand, I'm pretty sure I could make more money investing them into shoes than I would with stock trading. Now I know obviously I don't know much about stocks and stuff like that, but this is my personal opinion. For example, learn the sneaker market, learn the Jordan 1 trends, learn how these shoes are performing on each release, look at the upcoming releases, look at the past models, look on the StockX graphs. There's loads of things you can do to start investing. Now, if you want to make good money from investing, yes, you do need a lot of capital. However, you don't actually need to do much. Say for example, the Obsidian Jordan 1s that came out quite long ago. However, you could have picked these up for even under £200. These shoes are now over a £400 shoe. Imagine if you bought say 20 pairs of these shoes. It's a lot of profit we are talking here. So please be wary with when you are investing, because it does cost a lot of money, and please do your research. Same with everything in your life. Obviously do a lot of research and make sure it's something you want to put your money into. And then sure, if you want to start to learn to investing, there's no harm in maybe picking up one pair, holding it for 3-4 months and see the margins in it. If it starts working well, maybe you can invest into more pairs using the money you just made, and so on. Now you're probably thinking, well, yeah, but I have to wait 6 months for my first investment to come in. If you're making one investment every single month for one pair of shoes, or say, for example, after them first 6 months, you have an investment ready to sell every single month. So that's where the income does come in. Now, my biggest tip of all is actually, there's nothing stopping you from doing all of the things I have just said. There's nothing stopping you from building a YouTube channel, from building an Instagram, from building a Depop, building a eBay, building a Facebook, and also investing into pairs, investing into the new Jordan 1s that come out. There's nothing stopping you from then starting and going into botting. You can do all of these things in one, and that's where the sneaker business is so good. You don't just have to focus on botting. You don't just have to focus on growing a platform. You can do all of these things. These botting drops aren't every single day. So on the days you want to bot, you can bot. On the days you don't bot, you can do your Instagram, you can grow your platform, you can make a YouTube video. Please just try and do all of these things and it will come. The biggest thing with sneaker reselling is consistency. I see too many people that take an ad on sneakers and just stop reselling. And I mean, yeah, that's good for me. That means I have more chances in the future. But I want you guys to succeed, and I want you guys to make your money and create a business of your own. I mean, it's everyone's dream job. And yes, I don't make loads of money, but I know how to help other people to make a bit more money than they are at the moment. I'm currently on a gap year. I'm making enough for myself where I actually am able to not actually work part-time. So I can do this as my kind of full-time job, but remember I'm on a gap year, so I am going into my full job soon. However, doing sneaker reselling will not change. It's going to be with me for the rest of my life. And hopefully, maybe in the near future, it's something I can do full-time. It's a big dream of mine, but obviously you've got to grind for this. So please take all of these tips into consideration. Maybe look into the investing part, maybe just doing one extra post on Instagram every single day. This is all little things you can do to help increase your chances and help increase your interaction with your clients. Just remember, my biggest tip is stay consistent. You will take a couple L's and you will maybe even lose a bit of money. However, it's all part of the learning process and it's all part of the grind. If you really did enjoy this video, please show some support. But yeah, take all these tips into consideration. I'm not saying you have to start botting. I'm not saying you have to grow in a platform. All I'm saying is take these things into thought and think what you can do to improve yourself. If you did enjoy the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's smash 2,000 subscribers this month. That is my aim. It's going to be very hard. However, I do believe we can do it. Apart from that, good luck in all of your releases, guys. It is a grind, it is a hustle, it will come. Please stay consistent with it, and like I said, if you put anything, if you're willing to put the time and effort into anything you do, you will be successful. Apart from that, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.